In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate financial reports in Zoho Books. First, open Zoho Books in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. This ensures the numbers you're about to review reflect the right company and the right books. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation menu. Find and click Reports. This section is your hub for everything from sales, summaries, to balance sheets. But today, we're focusing on the most essential snapshot of performance. Near the top of the Reports page, you'll see Profit and Loss. It's often listed among the first reports because it's the fastest way to understand how your business is performing over a period of time. The Profit and Loss report, sometimes called the income statement, summarizes your income, cost of goods sold, and expenses to show your net profit or loss. Click Profit and Loss to open it. You'll land on a page with controls at the top and a detailed breakdown below. Before reviewing the numbers, set the time frame you care about so the results are meaningful. At the top, use the filter to choose your date range. You can select common periods like this month, last month, this quarter, or this fiscal year, or define a custom range if you're analyzing a specific project timeline or a seasonal window. Selecting the right period helps you see trends and compare performance consistently. After setting the date range, click Run Report. Zoho Books will refresh the data and show totals for your selected period. Take a moment to scan the structure. Income at the top, followed by the direct costs tied to your sales, then operating expenses like subscriptions, rent, or payroll. At the bottom, you'll see the net profit or loss for the period. If you manage multiple revenue streams or expense categories, the grouping will help you pinpoint what's driving results. As you review, look for anomalies like sudden spikes in an expense category or unexpected dips in income. If something stands out, adjust your date range to a wider period and run the report again to add context. Many organizations also keep their accounting method in mind here. For example, whether they track on a cash or accrual basis can change the timing of when income and expenses appear. That's it. You've opened the Profit and Loss report in Zoho Books, set a clear date range, and run the report to get an accurate snapshot of your business performance. Keep this process handy and repeat it regularly to stay on top of your numbers and make confident decisions.